A boy who doesn't like rain. Not all the human beings are the same, and the difference can't be regarded lame. In fact, this makes them unique. Holding different outlook makes them sleek. I just heard of someone having the distinct stand. There's a boy who doesn't like rain. Rain, which brings calmness to brain. But he appears to be an enthusiast, and anything altering his work makes him stay. He pleads to seize the hill, so he can reach his working place. Since his childhood, he used to brood over this changing maze. As the drizzling seemed like boulders in his school's way. Oh rain, your heavy showers are putting me in delay. I can't waste a penny of my precious time waiting for you to go away. So on seeing the arrival of rain, he chants the same prayer. Please rain, don't stay. How will I reach my office in full sway?